Balancés can be done in 3 directions: front, side, or back. And like many other ballet steps, you can do them on your right foot or your left foot. They also can be done en tournant, or while turning. If you want to see a video about balancés en tournant, let me know in the comments. Hi, I'm Daniel, a professional ballet dancer, and you're watching the Swan Puddle channel. This channel is dedicated to providing quality dance education. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon so you can see more videos like this. All of these balancés have the same movement quality and a very similar pattern of steps. The only difference is the direction your leading foot travels first. The movement quality in all of these balancés is about a sweeping, traveling movement. The pattern of steps is this: step, step on the back foot, step on the front foot, and then repeat. Step, step on the back foot, step on the front foot. Balancés going in any of the directions normally start in either tendu back or in B+. That back leg is the leg that steps out first. The leg develops through coupe to a low jette height, and you fall off your working leg to travel side. Land on your new leg in a small fondu with your back leg in a coup de pied. Rock back onto your back leg, then rock forward onto the front foot. Balancés often are done in a row, one balancé after another. Once you balancé one way, you have the other foot behind, so you can balancé in the opposite direction. In a sequence of balancés side, the movement pattern is like this: down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Balancés front are very similar to balancés side, with one difference, of course. You're going forward with your body instead of side. The leg you step onto first normally starts behind. Develop the leg to a low jette height in the front. Then you glide yourself forward onto that leg. You land in a small fondu as you bring the leg to coup de pied derrière. Rock your weight onto your back foot. You rise up slightly when you do this. Rock your weight back onto the front foot. Balancés front often lead into balancés side or balancés back. If you're going into a balancé back, you extend that back foot and then you step on it. And if you're doing a balancé side out of balancé front, you extend the back foot to the side to go into your balancé side. The last direction we're going to cover is balancé back. Balancé back normally begins with the leg behind, either in B+ or in tendu back. That back leg develops back, and you glide your weight back onto it. As you land in a fondu on your new leg, you bring your other leg to coup de pied. You then rock your weight onto that back foot, which is always in a low demi-point with the back knee in a shallow fondu. Rock your weight back onto that front foot to finish. I'd been missing something if I didn't talk about how balancés work with the music. Balancés, the waltz step, and pas de basque are all counted in 3s. For balancés, that means the first step is on 1, the second step is on 2, and the third is on 3. You repeat: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because balancés are 3-step movements, they pair really nicely with time signatures that are 3/4s and 6/8. Regardless of what direction you're doing a balancé in, the goal is to move a lot horizontally. You want to take up space with your movement. Don't overdo the rock back. You don't have to change your height by more than 2 or 3 inches. It looks awkward if you make a big deal of the change in height. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have questions or have suggestions for the channel.